we in India recognize your love for the game of cricket. We in India recognize the talent that you have to rise in the game of cricket, which is why for some time, quite some time now, we, the Government of India, has been trying its best to assist with the development of this sport in your country.
موږ د هند سره د خورا اوږده تاریخ د دوستۍ او همکارۍ ښې اړیکې لرو چې د تاریخ په طول کې زموږ سره ګرد عمر حیاتي همکاري او بې هدف او مقصده دا همکاري کړې ده.